Welcome to the show, broadcasted here in the church. It's called Domestic Animals.
I'm Pongo. I'm a penguin. I'm a moose. Guess what, moose? What? I explode for you. Oh, that is so dreadful because I explode for you too. Mr. Pongo.
Take two.
That was a fail.
Take three. This is Domestic Animals in the church.
Hello, I'm Pongo. I am Bruce the Moose. I'm Pongo the Penguin. I'm the Moose. I'm the Penguin. Guess what? What? Pongo? What? I explode for you. Guess what, Bruce? What, Pongo? I explode for you too. Oh!
Whoa.
I just love the car. Let me kiss your
Parental discretion is advised.
Let me kiss your ring. Get on to me, Bruce. What? Want to see my tail? Yeah, wiggle, 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 wiggle. My cat sticks out like. Can you button me back up, Ashley? Button me back up. Yeah, see the comments. Oh, dang it! I exploded again. Oh, dang. Oh my God! Come on, man! Hang on, try to get back together. I just love me so much. We're pillow pets. We can love while you sleep on our heads. Cause even though when you crush us, we still love you. Cause we're your pillow pet. Even though you slobber and drool at night all over our body. Even if you stick something on. Even when you put a tooth under us, which is very itchy, we still love you, cause we're the P to the I to the L to the. We're the P to the I to the double L to the O W to the P to the E to the We're the pillow pets. Yeah. Word.
That was broadcasted in front of a live audience.
Alright guys, alright. I need your attention for just a little bit more. Okay, so
Get on to me, Bruce. What is this?
Behind the scenes.
I just think we should
Bruce, you're such a
extend our
jack.
thank you
Jack
to
donkey.
everyone who helped out, okay? So if all my
wanna see it.
volunteers can stand up and leaders and all you guys